Greetings all, friends and colleagues. I hope you are all safe and well. As some of you will know, as well as running DrugWise with my ex-DrugScope colleague, Jackie Buckle, I've also embedded myself in the world of tobacco harm reduction, working with two ex-drug field colleagues, Professor Jerry Stimpson and Paddy Costal, for Knowledge Action Change. And within that team are some technical experts based in Warsaw, a team led by Jegosz Kroll, and it is to that team that I owe my thanks for this video, which would otherwise be way beyond my very limited technical abilities. At the start of the book, there is a list of acknowledgements of all the people who have influenced my thinking over the years and who have specifically helped by making very helpful comments in drafts of this book and supplied some very useful additional information. But I would like to take this public opportunity to heap gratitude on my partner, Kay Wadilove, who has been my rock and my compass over all these years, particularly grounding me in the realities of daily life, even as I fend off the fan who beats a path to my door. So if I can crave your indulgence for the next few minutes as I humbly launch my new book, and this is it, Fierce Chemistry, The History of UK Drug Wars, published by Amberley. The book follows a historical trajectory from the passing of the Defence of the Realm Act during World War I, outlawing possession of some drugs without a prescription, through to the passing of the Misuse of Drugs Act, which received its royal assent 50 years ago this month in 1971, and onto the Psychoactive Substances Acts of 2016 and beyond. The book starts by highlighting that for centuries before the UK Dangerous Drugs Act 1920, wars were being fought to protect drug and ancillary revenues, opium, tea, coffee, alcohol, and sugar. Could the term drug war have any utility? Well, hopefully from the above, it will be clear where my general sympathies lie. Even so, I've always believed that in this subject, clouded and refracted with so much smoke and so many mirrors, there has to be a place for the demilitarized zone. That area which allows for evidence to be evaluated and presented dispassionately, and where stories can be told with some level of balance and objectivity. However, I would suggest, perhaps controversially, that there is no national debate on drugs in the UK. There are, of course, plenty of reports, streams of op-eds and social media engagements, but nothing that really engages the wider public. In an independent YouGov poll from 2018, there were 15% don't knows on the question of cannabis legalisation, and that after the drug has been in regular circulation and talked about endlessly for over half a century. To use that well-worn phrase, there is no generally accepted roadmap out of our current legislative framework. I started in the field in September 1979, before the heroin epidemic, before crack, HIV/AIDS, and rave culture. This book aims to show why the subject of drugs remains politically toxic and a deeply embedded third rail subject. So there you have it. Hope you enjoy the book, and thanks for watching.